Hi friends, welcome to SL Smart Ideas, for another delicious recipe. If you are new to this channel, or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified. Today we are making coconut milk brittle, also called candy. Ingredients and quantities. Coconut milk, 400 milliliters. 300 grams of sugar. Stir well. 3 tablespoons of milk powder. 1 pinch of salt. Vanilla essence, or cardamom 1 pinch. 2 tablespoons of roasted peanut. 1 teaspoon of butter. This is the right stage to remove from the stove. Pour it to a butter-applied tray. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video.